Hi, welcome to Armor One. Today we're going to talk about RCE via AI tools. So here's how a simple prompt can turn an AI assistant into a code execution path. This attack is a remote code execution attack through AI tools. The idea is simple. An attacker tricks an AI assistant into using powerful tools like a terminal or Python executor to run malicious code. What starts as text can quickly become real system-level execution if the assistant is allowed to act too freely. So a real example of this attack was the LangChain issue tied to the Great Escape style of attack, where prompt injection could lead to arbitrary Python code execution on the host. The danger was not just the prompt itself. The real problem was that the model could reach an execution path and act on it. This is where Armor One could have made a real difference, by reducing the assistant's ability to execute dangerous actions silently and by surfacing the risky controls that make this kind of attack possible. So we're going to look at Cursor as our example, and we're going to look at some of the metrics. The first one I want to look at is auto run mode configuration. So if we scroll down, we can find it right here. This looks at whether the assistant is allowed to run too freely without enough human oversight. The next one I want to look at is auto run command allow list, which is up here. And this matters because if command permissions are too broad, a prompt-injected assistant may be able to execute far more than it should. And lastly, I want to check out auto-run command deny list, which is right here. This helps make sure dangerous commands are explicitly blocked, so the assistant cannot quietly step into destructive behavior. I also want to quickly go over remediation steps for one of our risk metrics that we talked about. So we're going to look at auto run command deny list. We're going to press show under details. We're going to scroll down. We'll see the description, the impact, and then we'll see that remediation steps are available on a per user basis. So we're going to go down to the table here and click on one of our users. Once we're at our user, it'll give us the same thing, the impact and everything, and then it'll give us specified remediation steps. So here we can see it. To open cursor settings, navigate to agents, auto run command deny list, and then enter a comma-separated list of risky, high-impact commands, for example, all of these. And this is available for each of the risk metrics. So instead of letting a prompt quietly turn into a host-level execution, Armor One helps teams spot risky execution paths, tighten approvals, restrict dangerous commands, and reduce the chance that prompt-driven tool abuse becomes full compromise.